Welcome to another McLogo video, and I've been actually building this pirate frame or the pirat frame shorty. This is a turtle tank through X as I've built it. You could also build it squashed X, and I'm really looking forward to flying this and seeing how it flies. This is replacing my QAVS frame, and yeah. So it's about turtle tank, and I wanted to try how, or if I can feel any difference if I change the Lil Mateys or Lil Matey to turtle tank. If I can feel it. Of course, the batteries can be quite light. This is, I think it's 90 grams or something, and this a little bit more, maybe 10 grams more. The 750. So I want to test both of them, and yeah, or I wanted to test it today in the morning. The first flight didn't go as planned. I went to a new spot, and yeah, I'll quickly show you that clip. So yeah, it took me about an hour to get a pole, a telescope pole, 6 meters, and the quad was maybe 8 meters up in that net. So it took me quite a while to get it out, and it was kind of tangled and everything. And I first had to get that telescope pole, but now it's good. I have a official quad revival tool. That's also a good thing. So yeah, straight after that, I then really tested this one of the Lil Matey's one of, I've got two, but let's talk about this first. I first flew the 720 GMBs and the heavier Tattu 750 afterwards, and I think it was more, even a little bit more noticeable on the 750, but the thing is, I really like how it flies. For me, it's kind of it's hard to describe the feeling, but I think I can. If you look at the weight distribution, I think I can explain what I'm feeling. So basically, with the Lipo. Like this in the normal standard way, basically the whole weight is on this axis, and the thing is, you will have a good roll authority, or it will roll quickly, but this axis is a little bit kind of smoothed out, or it has more it doesn't roll that well, and with turning the battery, basically you have this in the middle, the battery, and so the roll axis sort of should be a little bit lighter. And how it feels is, it feels just more neutral in between. It feels like it's more like the roll and pitch axis are kind of having the same authority. It just, I cannot describe it, but it just feels right. It is noticeable. So I guess on a 5-inch with a larger battery as a 6S, it must be much more noticeable. But this, it just feels right, and it flies really well. And you can maybe see also in this clip also the how well the props match, and also because I'm basically coming out of loops, and I can hold my height, go underneath trees and everything, just to show that the props have a good feeling, a stick feeling when I'm catching the dives or just out of the loops. And overall, it just it feels nice. I think it's nothing that you can basically see in the video. I would try it if you can for yourself. If you can, you know, just if you have a frame that can fly toilet tank or standard, then just try it out and see for yourself what you like, or if you prefer it or not. But I will keep it like this, and I will be flying like this. But I do have to make a little change. The battery strap that I'm using here is from LetsflyRC. This is smaller. It's a 155, and this fits perfectly nice. But with the original, I had to make some adjustments. I did a little bit of Tinkercad, just to have the GMB battery fit better with this. It's a little bit longer. I think it's 180, 170. The strap. So basically, with the TPU part, it holds it better in place, and I don't need to get new straps, because these 155, they weren't available, couldn't get them anywhere. But like this, I can use the standard ones, and it's really fine. It also works with these batteries now. So yeah, enjoyed the second flight that I'm showing you, and if you like and subscribe, thank you very much for that. Hope you enjoyed the content, and have a great day. Bye bye.